I'm going to be checking voltage on this Maf sensor on a 93 Crown Victoria. As you look at the cable, your top two leads are going to be the first one's going to be power, second one's going to be power ground, third one's Maf return, and fourth is Maf signal. Check the power. I got about 5.5 volts. When you check a DC between 1 and 2, that was my reading anyway. When we start the car on idle, this should be reading 0.2 to 1.5 volts at idle and 2 volts at a simulation of 60 miles an hour. So just turn the throttle and look for steady gain to 2 volts. I'm going to be back probing 3 and 4. If you look in the back, mine's going to be red and orange, dark brown. Hadn't read the schematic, but you'll know which ones you're messing with. You're just going to clip them with a razor blade real quick. Alright, splice the red and the black and white.
You ready?
One last thing before you start the car, make sure they're not connected or touching each other.
Slowly raise the RPM. You can turn it off.
And those two indications mean you have a good mass airflow. Guess one last tip on back probing a harness you can't shoot the wires in. Kind of stagger where you cut along those wires so they don't you know, if the tape comes off, hit each other and short something out. Have a problem that way in the future, but you stagger them. At least if the tape comes off, they'll more than likely be hitting a wire where it's sheathed.